Hey guys, I am starting with this joint compound, and let me put that down. I'm putting it in small flower pots, like so, just because I don't have any gravels or anything and I needed some weight in these. I'm going to create some cupcakes out of these. My yard is going to be decorated in a lot of candy. I've got candy canes, I've got lollipops. I found some cute little stems of marshmallows at Hobby Lobby yesterday, so I picked those up. And I thought if I could add some cupcakes out there, it would just be that much cuter. But I needed them to be heavy. So this is the point I'm at right now. The next thing I'll do is either fill it with foam or something and then paper mache over it. The last thing I'll do though is I'm going to use some spray insulation, and I'm going to create the icing on top, plus it'll be waterproof, so whatever is underneath it as a filler won't be a problem. Oh, look who showed up here. Hey Rascal, you're on camera. Hi. Aww. But when we're ready to do that, I'll be back. I just wanted to let you know what I'm starting out with. These little flower pots are going to have to dry overnight at least, you know, with that much joint compound in there. So I need those to get really dry before I try to put anything on. I don't want the moisture to mildew or anything. Okay, so now that we've got the joint compound in the bottom, it's giving them a lot of weight. So I have used some extra plastic bags I had laying around, stuffed several into one bag, twisted it at the bottom, and then just shoved them in. Okay, that'll give me some filler here. I'm going to use some glue just to kind of secure these. And then the next step will be to use the spray foam and create like cake frosting on it. Okay guys, as you can see, I've given the icing a coat of white paint. Once that dries, we will use some bright colors and put some sprinkles on top of them. And now we're gonna just paint the bottom of the cupcake cup. I think I may use like some bright colors for that as well. So I won't make you watch me paint them, but I'll be right back as soon as they're done. Okay guys, so I did decide to go ahead and paint the base of the pots just on bright colors just to make it a little more festive. But as you can see, after we put the white paint on, I just took various paints and painted little slashes all over it to simulate sprinkles. Alright, so I'm going to take these outside and spray them and then go ahead and add them to my outdoor decorations. But just wanted to kind of show you what you could do. Alright, see you next week guys. Hope you have a great week.